right, everyone, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate the support. If you're returning, appreciate y'all coming back, taking a little time out of your day. If this is your first time on the vlog, on the channel, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button, so you get future content, because you're gonna want the future content that's coming after this video here. So what we're doing here today is we're doing the unboxing of the HHP/BES Stage 3 ported heads. So we're going to do the unboxing today. We're going to take a look at them. We're going to take a look at the springs. We'll take a look at the valves. We'll do an overview of the heads. And then come April 4th is when I'm actually going to get them put on. My mechanic Steve, he's doesn't have an opening until April 4th. So the follow-on video to this one will be the install, first startup, and my first impressions of the new heads. So yeah, let's get to the unboxing. All right, everyone, here we are with the unboxing today. You can see behind me, looky what we got. They're sitting right back there. Two pretty square boxes. Looks like, I'm not really sure. Let's see what's in the boxes. All right, everyone, I'm gonna be honest, I've already opened one of them, so I'm gonna open the one I hadn't opened yet. So let's open that up. Something big, something metal. Ladies and gentlemen, what can it be? Nothing more than the BES Stage, HHP BES Stage 3 heads. Got new springs, new retainers, ported all the way out. What do you think, folks? I guess the question is, does anybody else out there have these heads? I'd be curious to know, you know, if anyone else has these heads put on and what the gains were from the heads. What they think, you know, kind of from a butt dyno. I'm not looking for dyno numbers, but if someone else has done these heads, I'd be curious to see what they think. Well, like I said earlier, my mechanic Steve, I use the same mechanic as Incredible Hemi. He's not available until the 4th of April, so we'll see when we get him on the 4th of April. But in the meantime, you know, these things, they're brand new, look awesome. I can't wait to get them on April 4th, and we'll do a initial impression once we get them on. But in the meantime, tomorrow's track day, and what does track day mean? We got to pack everything up. So let's put this head away, and we're going to start packing up the Hoosiers, the jack, and all the tools. So stay tuned. Set all that stuff off to the side. Let me see. All right, here's my handy dandy toolbox. Set that down. We may add a few more things to it just in case we need them. Get those things out of the way. Put on our handy dandy gloves. Oh, we kind of got a bonus unboxing. let's see what we have in here. And oh my, what do my eye spy? I spy some Boostane, baby. So get that 100 octane, boost that 93, boost it up to 100 octane. Matter of fact, you can, if you're out there in California or you can't get 93 and you can only get 91, hey, hit up Boostane. They can get you to that 100. Oh, sort of another unboxing. But these aren't new though, I've had these before. And what do we get out of here? Haha, it's the Hoosier Slicks, baby. We're getting ready for tomorrow. So there's numero uno. Move that box out of the way. Oh my lord, what do we have here? But another Hoosier. They're on 18-inch Bravadas. So if you're looking for a drag pack and wondering what I use, that's what I use. All right, get in here, pull out the jack, and I think we're about set. All right, so quickly, you saw quickly what I bring to the track. Got the Hoosiers, the jack, and my toolbox. So here's a quick view of what I got in my toolbox. So I got a 1/2-inch drive, torque power. I got my gloves. Got a socket set that's got flatheads and cross tip, Phillips head. Bring a Phillips head screwdriver, flathead screwdriver. Got to have that torque wrench. Got to torque down the tires to the right specifications. Got some electrical tape in case I need it. Measuring tape just in case, you never know. Got my tire gauge. Got to get them tire pressures right. That's key. Got a flashlight in case we need it. Got a knife in case we need it. Got my breaker bar. Gonna need that. And you know, inside here I got all my sockets that I need. On the outside, the only thing I got on the outside are the star nuts that go with the Bravada wheels to lock them down. So if you ever want to know what's in my toolkit, that's what's in my toolkit. That'll do it for this vlog. So if you're returning, checking out the content, I appreciate you taking some time out of your day. Come in, watch the content. If you're new to the channel, hey, please hit that subscribe button. You don't know how much it means to see those subscribers keep picking up. We're almost at 500. Let's get to that 500, baby. We're only about 20 subscribers away. So if you're new, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. If you're a returner and you hadn't hit that bell yet, hit that bell. Make sure you get the future content. Again, tomorrow, racetrack. Get ready. And we out. Gonna wrap it up for today. I appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch the video. It definitely helps the channel out, and I highly appreciate it, each and every one of you. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you get the future content. Thanks. Peace.